Namaste. Welcome to Himalayan meditation. Manifestation. Everything we see, we feel, we touch is merely but a manifestation of the divine. The spectrum of colors, the richness of a forest, the power of rivers, the kingdom of animals, all united and manifested as this beautiful earth. Just like the universe, humans are creators in their own sense as well. We create and cultivate relationships. We build and nurture families, and we envision and shape our life through our own outlook. When it comes to manifestation, one must remember that there are many ways one can reach their goal. Make sure you clearly divide your vision into goals and each goal into milestones. Doing so helps you rejoice little successes that you make during this journey. If you're unable to visualize your goal with eyes closed, you can do this by writing your goal or making a vision board before the meditation. Once you make your environment such that you can physically see the vision of your goal as a constant reminder, this will help you to visualize it during meditation. Our eyes have a major impact on what goes on in our mind. The more our eyes see our goal during the day, the more your mind will focus on making it a reality. Now let's get started. Please find a quiet, comfortable place with no distractions. You can seat yourself and please close your eyes. Start by taking long, deep breaths to calm your mind. This practice is easiest right when you wake up. Follow your breath as it enters your nose, all the way to your belly. Hold it for a few seconds and then slowly exhale and follow its way back. Let's do this a couple of times to increase the focus of our clear mind. Inhale. Hold. Exhale slowly. Now on your own, couple times. When you're ready, let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. At this moment, your mind is calm without thoughts. The first step is to learn how to manipulate our breathing to keep our mind in this state with this one thought in mind. Once you learn how to use breathing to calm your mind, clear it of any thoughts, and then bring in your vision as if it were a reality that you're living right now. Noticing details, feeling the emotions, and the joy of achieving the goals. Continue breathing. If your mind wanders, notice and simply bring it back. The second step is to envision your mini goal. Begin by thinking about your vision once your mind is calm. Bring in the mini goal you wish to manifest. Creating a vision board helps in visualizing your goal during meditation with eyes closed. Keep your focus on visualizing everything about your goal in details, as if you're there already. The trick is to fool your brain into thinking that it is the real moment that you're experiencing now. So you need to emotionally feel it in the moment and not get dragged away by thoughts. Notice the clarity of this vision as if it were real and happening right in front of you. Look into the details. Notice your demeanor, your body language, and notice your emotions. Use your emotions to harness this energy of joy and happiness you're feeling. You have accomplished your vision. You are successful. People around you are happy for you. You are smiling cheek to cheek. Your family is inspired. Your friends look up to you. Everything you wanted to accomplish, you just did. Now feel these emotions. Try to watch your vision unravel in front of you and match the emotions you're feeling in this moment of reality. If your emotions take over, let them. Be present in this moment and get used to this new vibration of success and abundance. The last step is to let it go. Take this decorated vision of your goal, place it on a leaf, and offer it to the divine. Once you have done so, learn not to have any expectations attached to the outcome. trust that whether it comes true or not, only better things will happen in your life. Once you detach from the outcome, your meditation is complete. The practice is to continue to build your vision stronger and stronger. Put your hands on your heart and feel the gratitude. Direct this gratitude towards the divine and yourself. Be thankful for everything that you have in this moment. Be thankful for helping you achieve your vision. And be thankful for the joy, happiness, and abundance in your life. When you make it a practice to live in the vibration of gratitude, everything that you wish for comes to you. You can practice this meditation for mini goals first that lead up to achieving your final vision. For best outcomes, you can practice this meditation for 21 days. When you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Namaste.